Hi to all, this is Sukhpreet Singh from GHS Lakwarean Science Mastery, and today I am here to present a video on occasion of Teachers Fest. Sorry for the delay, there were some issues, but here I am. This is a working model to explain the solar and the lunar eclipses, and the smallest little ball which you can see here is our moon. This little globe is our earth, and this rangeen ball is our sun. So we all know that the moon rotates around the earth something like this, and our earth rotates on its own axis like this, and the whole system of our earth and the moon rotates around the sun like this. And when we have a position, when the all three are in the line and the moon is in the center of the sun and earth, when the rays from the sun fall on the moon, the shadow of the moon falls on a particular area on the earth. So the people living there on the area where the shadow of the moon is falling on earth, they cannot see the sun or a part of sun for a while. So the body of the moon blocks the view of the sun for a while, and in this case we call it solar eclipse. And when the time take its toll and the position of earth and sun and moon is something like this, let me adjust it. It is somehow something like this. When all three are in the line and the earth is in the middle of sun and moon, the shadow of earth this time falls on the part or full moon, and the people living on the line of sight of the shadow falling on the moon, they cannot see a part of full moon because the shadow of earth blacks it out, so it hinders the full view of moon, and in this case we call it lunar eclipse. So that's all for the day for the Teachers Fest. Thank you. This is Sukhpreet Singh signing off.